Dalawang normal, Maria Margaret Soriano, anak ni na Fatima Soriano, yan. At sa Berda naman, Kentisyo sa Berdas.
Isang mainit at
Bilhin mo nga sa ano?
Mamaya na.
YouTube, sa YouTube.
Ay, si Papa yan ah.
Hindi, natutulog na siya.
Di ba? Arthur.
Pili na ako ng ano.
Arthur, maghintay ka. Yan pagmongren ha. Yan pagmongren ha. Pag-askal tuta, lagkit. Patay ka. Salamat ka panalig. Kentisyo sa Berdas.
Marry all the ingredients. Sana all mo na marry. Sabi may jowa ka ba?
is simply country.
It's time to reveal all your kitchen secrets. If you know, you know.
The Philippine Interior Department has filed a criminal complaint against embattled Bangladesh Mayor Alice Go for allowing illegal offshore gaming operators in her town. Go's background also under investigation amid speculations she might be a Chinese spy. We'll now be speaking with DILG Undersecretary for External, Legal, and Legislative Affairs, Juan Victor Llamas. Undersecretary, good afternoon to you. Thanks for joining us today and welcome to the program.
Good afternoon, Carmina.